क्यों?
मेरा कूद में घुसंदी
कुछ भी मतलब क्या है?
मैंने ये वीडियो या
हम्म,
फोटो किस लिए लेते?
वीडियोग्राफी में ब्लॉग बनाते हैं हम लोग, इसीलिए। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
प्रद्युम्न कुमार बेहरा।
अच्छा, तो अंदर तो मोबाइल अलाउड नहीं है ना?
नहीं नहीं,
अच्छा, तो यहाँ से कर सकते हैं ना?
यहाँ से कर सकते हैं और आधार कार्ड दिखाने से अंदर छोड़ते हैं।
आधार कार्ड दिखाने से? अच्छा, तो मेरे पास है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
मैंने पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है। Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the Shining Traveler channel. Today I am in one of the wonderful temples of Odisha, that is Lingaraj Temple. Not only in Odisha, definitely this is very famous in India. I don't think so most of people might be knowing about this temple, but this temple is marvel or the epitome of architecture. So I request those who haven't subscribed my channel to subscribe and don't forget to share. Let's see how is it. To reach Lingaraj Temple, you need to take bus from Bhubaneswar. There are plenty of buses which connects there, but it doesn't connect to Lingaraj Temple. It connects to Lingaraj Station, railway station. That station is not well connected by train, but from Lingaraj Station you need to go by walk or you can take auto. From Lingaraj station, I asked in an auto wala, and he said that you need to pay me 120 rupees. When I opened Google location, it was showing around 1.5 kilometers. So I thought of walking instead of taking auto, because if you are a new person in new location, definitely looting will be a commonmost aspect. So I preferred walking. So now I am walking towards temple, and let's see what is there. Look at this temple. This is a small shrine. I think it's a shrine of Shiva. Here you can find many Shiva shrines. One more speciality of this particular region is you can find many shrines, small shrines you can find, and some looks like they have not well maintained. And Lingaraj temple, that exact temple, is a little far from here, and we need to walk there. This Lingaraj temple has been built during three kings regime: Yayati Keshari, Lalitendra Keshari, and Ananta Keshari. This temple is considered to be one of the best architecture among Kalinga style, and the topmost part is built with Amalaki stone. According to some of the historians, the small shrines surrounded by Lingaraj temples do belong to Shiva only, and that is not so confirmed that whether really it belongs to Shiva or some other god, that is not known, but they say like that. You can see they are in some digested way. So we are near now. वहाँ एंट्री किधर से है? हाँ, अंदर कैसे जाए? I think he is very angry on me. ओ दादा, अंदर कैसे जाए? एंट्री किधर से है?
अंदर वो साइड में है,
मतलब
Main
इस तरफ से
हाँ,
जाएंगे?
इसी तरफ में रास्ता है, इसी तरफ में रास्ता है।
अच्छा।
लेकिन मोबाइल इसका अंदर में नहीं जाए।
अच्छा, वो तो पता है, बाहर से ही कर रहा हूँ इसीलिए।
ये पूरा ऐसे घूम के चला है सामने में।
अच्छा, I just asked him the way to entry, and inside mobile is not allowed, as you know. But in North Indian temples they allow, but in this temple they are not allowing. So this temple is known as Gupta Kashi, and Swarnanchala, and many names are there. And here Shiva is worshipped in the name of Lingaraja. And there are also some arguments that here this is a particular place where Hari and Hara do exist. Inner beauty of temple we cannot see because camera is not allowed.
क्यों एवरा कूद में करछंती
कुछ भी मतलब क्या है?
माने ये वीडियो या फोटो किस लिए लेते?
वीडियोग्राफी ब्लॉग बनाते हैं हम लोग, इसीलिए। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
प्रद्युम्न कुमार बेहरा।
अच्छा, तो अंदर तो मोबाइल अलाउड नहीं है ना?
नहीं नहीं।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ से कर सकते हैं ना?
यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, और आधार कार्ड दिखाने से अंदर छोड़ते हैं।
आधार कार्ड दिखाने से? अच्छा, तो मेरे पास है, ठीक है, थैंक यू। तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
मैंने पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है। It was so nice to talk with that guy, and he asked me that you cannot take mobile inside, but if you have Aadhaar card you can do that, but I don't think so. I asked him, what do you need anything? He said I don't need anything. In India, temple means cows mean temple. Definitely temple surrounding will have this scenario. So these are giant wheels for Rath Yatra. Inside camera is not allowed, once again I am saying, but inside you can see many shrines, small shrines you can find, and Lingaraj God and Parvati, everything you can find inside. And I took darshanam nicely. Just now I took darshanam of God and it was very nice. And one more speciality of this temple, that the rope used for Rath Yatra in this temple is used for the Subhadra god of Puri. For that Ratha, the same rope will be used. That's a speciality. Temple surrounding has some park also, you can see park. So guys, this was today's vlog about Lingaraj Temple. Those are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like this video and share, comment. Thank you.